So here I am going through some of my wood. I want to work on some bottle stoppers for this next video. Make some gifts for some friends. Christmas is coming up, holiday season, you know, the gift giving time is around the corner. And bottle stoppers are a perfect gift that you can batch out a bunch quick. They're relatively fun to make, and it's a good way to use a bunch of small offcuts. The typical bottle stopper blank is 2 by 2 by 3 inches. So here I am just breaking down these offcuts to get them all to 3-inch lengths. And I don't know if you can tell from these images, but my wood choices for this video will be cherry, walnut, purpleheart, and pauduk. I've got all this stuff milled up, and what I want to do is make sure that I can get a few blanks out of this. So we'll try and see how it goes. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get that up where you can see it. There you go. So there's one. Well, I thought I had that recording when I struggled gluing up this last one, but I suppose it's probably better that it wasn't on camera. It was a mess. So let these dry. I'll glue up the last one. Funny thing, a wood turner without enough clamps. Is there ever enough clamps? Let me know in the comments below if you ever have enough clamps. I don't even know if I got any of that. So right here, I'm just flattening off the face of the blank. And I'm doing that so that when I drill the 7/16" hole into the face of this, the bottle stopper will sit square to the handle. So I finished flattening off the face, and then I'm going to install a Jacob's chuck with the 7/16" bit in it. I'll drill down just shy of an inch so the metal insert can be placed inside the blank. Next, I'll take CA glue and I'll coat the metal insert completely in it. And then I'll press fit it so it is just shallow to the surface of the hole that I just drilled. This will allow the bottle stopper to sit flush with the handle when it's inserted. I'm batching out 3 of these during the making of this. In real time, it only takes about 15 minutes to prep 3 of these. So you could knock a bunch of these out in an afternoon if you really wanted to put your mind to it. Now, before I finish this up, because of the way the threads are, take that off and test it on one of my pieces that are across the shop. And there it is screwed in. And I think it looks pretty good. So I'll put it back on the mandrel, sand it up, put a finish on it, and call this one done. It's all sanded up. I didn't put that on. You guys have seen enough sanding videos before. We're going to be using Axe abrasive paste and Axe restoring and polishing wax to finish this off. And I have a video where I talk about how I use it, so I will link that in the description below. One of the benefits with the Axe products is it is food safe, and given that this will be around food and such, this is a great finish for these bottle stoppers. Well, there you have it, folks. Finished up a couple of bottle stoppers this week. I ended up turning 4 total. I had a lot of fun doing these. I picked these up from Niles Bottle Stoppers, and I think they're really great. These are not sponsored. Purchased this with my own money. I appreciate you guys sticking around. I appreciate your time, and I would appreciate it if you liked and subscribed to my channel. There you go. Have a great one.